Hi, this is Merly, and today is a good day for talking about a new country. In this video, I am going to talk about Canada. Are you sharing for good, innovative and modern country? Okay, I invite you to know a bit about Canada. Let's start. To start off, in Canada, there are more than 16 Aboriginal languages spoken across the country. In this way, the official languages spoken in Canada are English and French. And to be able to communicate in one of these is very important. But which language would you learn? It is depend on where you can to settle. For example, in Quebec, a place of Canada, the main language is French. So people are supposed to know it if they expect to communicate with them. Canadian people are known as the fourth most accepting country in the world for immigrants. They say that they have a real cultural mosaic. On the other hand, in Canada, internships are called co-ops. This means is about as a temporary job or early job usually related to a student's major. So if your first language is not French or English, in Canada there are texts that pay for you to have these languages class. In this way, Canadian people are very generous. So you ought to turn it with good outcomes, both as a foreign student and as a worker too. College and universities in Canada usually provide dormitory for students on campus. Most students say that is too many rules in this country. So I think that you need to be any person, organized person in order to achieve good relation with Canadian people. Words like can monitor, salesperson, tour guide, among others, are type of jobs offered by Canadian people. As I say in the first of my video, communication skills is the most important tool you can possess to settle success in Canada country. If you are planning to visit this country, these customs are very important to know. First, cannabis is legal and regulated in Canada. So we were wondering, how can it be possible? I think so it's possible in the most of countries in the current century. Second, the Canadian family has changed during the last 30 years. We are trend toward smaller households. The role of men and women in the home is the same. Will it be possible equality in work? I think so. It's possible the equality. Canadian people, possible you could hear that there are many old people in this country. The reason is because young people is not interested in to have children in that time, because they wish to have more knowledge. They want to be others. Behavior others outcomes. Next, in Canada, the male man is not common, because in Canada the main meal of the day dinner with is eating in the evening is usually in USA too. In Quebec, is usually to kiss once on each cheek, as they do in French. Canadian business people often begin relationships in a reset manner. Shake hands with everybody at the meeting is very usually in Canada in the start of meeting and in the end of meeting too. It's very important to shake hands with everybody. Maintain eye contact while shaking hands is a good behavior of Canadian people and a good constant Canadian people have in their country. Okay, this is my video about Canada. I hope you can find interesting this video, and if you want to know a bit more about Canada, please contact me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.